Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that main cabin door is now closed. If you plan to use a small approved mobile device, now is the time. Ensure the cellular service has been turned off or put into airplane or game mode at this time.
After doors arm, cross, check for pushback, cabin secure.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, a very pleasant good morning. Happy Thursday. It's almost the weekend.
What's going on YouTube? As you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, this is day one of New York. Finally made it. It was a hell of a trip, taking all those bags and everything through the subway, through the bus. Rachel got on the bus by herself. So yeah, it was a hell of a trip just to get here. So as you can see, I'm in the hotel and I'll give you guys a little walk around and let y'all see everything. All right, so we're coming through the front door. You got the bathroom in there. This door, usually over here, but it slides to close. You got some storage bins, safe, place to put your suitcase, the hangers. You got a mirror. And then this is the bed. It's a king size bed. We're on the 27th floor, so that's pretty cool. Let me let y'all see the view. See, I'm gonna close that. The hotel's like a workout inspired hotel, I guess. So you got the exercise ball, you got coffee, Keurig, fridge down there, TV, table, and then you got the board. If you want to do some work, I guess you can stand up and do it here. Then you got some exercise equipment, Lysol, that's pretty cool. Some little seating arrangements. It's also pretty cool. So you can change the colors. Let's do yellow. And then you can take it off. Put it on. But yeah, other than that, it's a pretty cool room. I'll show you guys the bathroom whenever Rachel gets out.
5 minutes later.
So here's the bathroom. Obviously it's a little mess because we damn near moved in. But yeah, other than that, nice little hotel. No complaints really. We don't know what we're doing yet, so just stay tuned and it's gonna be fun. Alright guys, so I don't know if y'all can hear me, but we finally made it to Times Square. They didn't know that we were coming here, so surprised them with that. But so I'll show you guys around and hopefully we can go get something to eat. Alright, so I don't know if y'all can hear me, but somehow the Stranger Things experience is actually still here. So now we're chilling in it. So you got the lab, you got the mall back there. Then you got the, I don't remember the snowball, but they got the high school back over there too. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna insert some B-roll so y'all can check everything out.